Hello, and welcome to Docens Digitalis TV, the channel where you'll learn the essential English vocabulary to navigate laws, politics, and government, especially in the United States. If you've ever struggled to understand legal and political terms or wanted to feel more confident in discussions about government and policies, you're in the right place. Here, we break things down in a simple and practical way so you can use them with ease. In today's video, we'll focus on understanding legal and political English. These are key terms that often appear in news reports, political debates, and legal discussions. Let's get started. First, let's define government. The government is the system that creates and enforces laws in a country. In the United States, the government is divided into three branches: the legislative branch, which makes laws, the executive branch, which enforces laws, and the judicial branch, which interprets laws. Next, we have legislation. Legislation refers to the process of making and passing laws. A bill is a proposed law that must be approved by Congress and signed by the president to become official. If the president rejects it, that's called a veto. Another key term is constitution. The Constitution is the supreme law of a country, outlining how the government operates and protecting citizens' rights. In the U.S., the first 10 amendments to the Constitution are known as the Bill of Rights. Now, let's talk about civil rights. These are the legal protections that guarantee equal treatment for all citizens. Common civil rights issues include freedom of speech, voting rights, and protection against discrimination. You may also hear the term checks and balances. This principle ensures that no branch of government becomes too powerful. Each branch can limit the actions of the others to maintain balance in the political system. Moving on to legal terms, we have lawsuit. A lawsuit happens when one person or a company takes another to court to resolve a dispute. The person who files the lawsuit is the plaintiff, and the person being sued is the defendant. Another important term is contract. A contract is a legally binding agreement between two or more parties. If someone does not follow the contract, it is called a breach of contract. Finally, let's discuss judicial review. This is the power of courts to decide whether a law is constitutional. If a law violates the Constitution, it can be overturned by the Supreme Court. By understanding these legal and political terms, you'll be able to follow news reports, engage in discussions, and navigate important documents with confidence. If this video was helpful, please support our channel by liking this video, sharing it with others, and subscribing to Docens Digitalis TV. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content for learners like you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.